Hi friends, it's one of your music teachers, Mrs. McMillan, and I'm here to sing the song with you that we did in music class. And it goes like this. You take your hand is the dirt, and you put your seed in the dirt, and it goes like this. A little seed for me to sow, cover it up with dirt, a little soil to help it grow, bring out the sun, a little sun, a little shower, a little weight, a little flower. Let's do that one more time. Get your dirt, your soil. A little seed for me to sow, a little soil to help it grow, a little sun, a little shower, a little weight. A little flower. And that's our song, A Little Seed.